All right, so this is the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 Creator Combo. Yes, and from the name, you get to know that this is a device which you can use for, your vlogging. If you are just a starting creator, you can use this, device to do your vloggings and all. And why I love this, device is because it's pocket friendly from the name Pocket 3. So you can just, move this, around with you regardless. It can fit into your, palm, even your pocket. Unlike if I want to make videos with my camera, I have to take my time, pack the lens, the camera, get the charger, the battery, and all before I can move. But this is just, all in one creator combo. Okay, so I am going to be unboxing it right now. Yes. Okay. And looking at the back of this pack, you can see, everything we'll be getting in the box. Okay, just look closely. All right, we have the Osmo Pocket itself, the protective cover. These are everything we're seeing, but I will just open it for you guys right now so you can see for yourself. Okay. All right, so let's put it right here. So this is the very first thing you see in the box to preserve the, yeah. So now let's bring this out. Now this is, the protective case. It's quite heavy. It seems like, the DJI Pocket is inside. But let me see if it's maybe somewhere inside here, because, it's pocket friendly, so it might just be anywhere. All right, what's this? Okay, so this is the protective case. Like, it helps protect the camera and the lens of the DJI Pocket. Okay, so that it won't crack or something. We have here. Okay, these are the manuals, how to use it, how to connect it. But don't worry about this, because I'm going to create another video where I show you how to, connect this with your phone, or how to even use it for your blogging and all. Now let's go to the main package, the package itself. All right, this is the carrying bag. As you can see, this is, everything inside it. Like, everything just fits into this bag. Yes, so okay. So now this is the battery, right? So once you get your Osmo, you can just plug it in so that you can start making use of it. Let me bring out the main device itself. Okay, so we all can see it, and here it is. This is the Osmo Pocket 3. Yes. Okay, so this is the screen. It has a 2-inch screen, and it's actually rotatable, right? So if you want to take a video, for instance, can you see it seems like it's turned on already, and you just slide this screen this way. It's going to give you this 16:9 video, like a landscape video. And if you do it this way, it's going to give you your normal portraits or Instagram type of videos, right? Can you see it's back to normal? So let me just gently drop this. Yes, let's just go on with checking out every other thing in the box. All right, so this right here is the handle. Yes, the handle of, so you can just plug it this way. Can you hear the clicking sound? It means it's connected together already. Okay, I have to connect it on both sides. Clip it here and also clip it here so it can be secured properly. Okay, yes. So all right, so let me quickly show you the use of this also. This is how I guess I have to protect the lens itself. Let's go this way. Okay, it should be like this. Let's see. All right, so this is how it is. If you can see, it's protecting the Osmo itself. So in case if you're doing your vlogging and everything, it kind of drops on the floor mistakenly, it's well protected. All right, so you have nothing to worry about once you're using this case. Okay, but that does not mean you should be careless when you're handling this your Osmo 3. All right, and now this is the little tripod. Yes, so we just insert it over here. So if you want to make a video where you just want it to be just stand one place and you start creating your videos with it. Okay, so what else is in the bag? Let's see. Okay, now this is the DJI mic. Yes, so this is the mic. Now when you're with this Osmo, you don't really need to get another mic because this comes with it already. Okay. Okay, so this is the wide angle lens. Like you have to clip it to the Osmo camera. Let me just show you guys how it is done also. Let me carefully bring this out from the case. All right, so this is the camera over here. And it's actually magnetic. So can you see? So I'm also going to show you a sample of this, wide angle lens and the normal lens so that you can see the difference between both of them. Okay, so it just gives you a wider angle. All right, so what else do we have? We have the Type-C cable. This is for charging it, charging it over here, even charging the power bank, right? And one good thing about this Osmo Pocket 3 is this power bank over here. So let's say you're shooting your vlog and it's quite low. All you need to do is just detach this and plug in this, right? So and once the power bank is also the battery, right, is also dead, you can just detach it, go charge it, and while you're using this to continue shooting your videos until it's kind of filled up and you continue what you're doing, right? Yeah, so okay, now this is the windproof for the mic. So whenever you are talking, there are some it does protect this sound whenever you are making videos. So it's this windproof or windscreen, whatever they call it. So just how do you even clip it, right? It's inside here like this. Okay, so can you see it? So it's clipped already. And this should be the magnets, but let me open it so that you can see for yourself. So this is it. Can you see it? So you can clip this on your shirt. Just put the magnets on your shirt while you put this, and this is very strong. Like I'm trying to bring it out, but like the magnet is actually a very strong magnet. Yeah, so you can just clip it on your shirt and continue making your videos with this Osmo Pockets, right? So what else do we have in this bag? I guess that is all. And this again, so this is everything in the bag, right? Okay, this also here, I didn't talk about this. This is for the wrist strap. Yes, the wrist strap. So I guess you have to maybe strap it somewhere around here, right? Somewhere around here. I don't even know how to probably do this. Maybe I'm just going to check it out later and just you get to carry it somewhere, something like this, and it's just easy for you to move around with. Yeah, so practically this is everything in the box. So let me go about it again. As you can see on your screen, we have, the Osmo Pocket itself, we have the case, we have, the mic, we have the battery, we have, the stand, we have the tripod, the cord, and the strap, the magnet, and every other thing, as you can see right here on your screen. Okay, so let's see, how this is going to be. Let me just remove the strap on this screen, right? And it is turned on already. Can you see it? So yes, English. I guess I'll have to select this. This is here. Connect device. Well, I'm just going to skip it, right? And guys, this is it. So there's no SD card, but let me just, guys, how the camera is. Okay, the gimbal is locked. I think I need to, first of all, connect it or even insert, an SD card so that I can be able to use this properly. I'm going to show you samples of this, Osmo Pocket 3 and how you can make use of it. Okay, so let me know in the comment section if you're going to be getting one for yourself. Okay, will you be getting one Osmo Pocket 3 for yourself? Let me know in the comment section, okay? So I'll be seeing you guys in my next video as I explain how we can use this and even show you samples of the camera, because the camera on this, Osmo Pocket 3 is an upgrade from the, Pocket 2. Yes, DJI Pocket 2. It comes with, a 4K resolution and 120 frames per second, camera. It gives night video shot, natural shot, and lots more. So this is the perfect device for your vlogging. Alright, and watch my next video where I explain every single thing on it, okay?